Dear friends, welcome to the Tresper Cart YouTube channel. As we were discussing about the IB diploma programs in my previous videos, today we are going to initiate with a new topic that is on extended essay. As you are aware, all diploma program students have to participate in the three core elements of the programs. These are TOK, that is theory of knowledge, CAS, creativity, action and service, and the third is the extended essay. Extended essay offers to investigate a topic of special interest. Most of you are aware that it is an essay and independent research. You have to write in 4,000 words. But are you aware of the other facts of the extended essay? And student has to select a topic from any 6 subjects groups to write an extended essay. Why it is required? It is required because it leads to the major piece of formally presented, structured writing in which you give your ideas and findings and communicate it in a reasoned, coherent manner appropriate to the topic chosen by you. It is an expected work by the university in which you want to take an admission. In most of the prestigious international uni, it is an essential requirement. What it is further, the inquiry based an essay. An inquiry based, research is totally based on one of the components of the IB, that is inquiry based. It is including experimental learning, problem and project based learning, case based learning, discovery learning, depending upon the subject group from which you have chosen it. The writing an essay is not a very easy task. For it, you must know certain features. The key features of the extended essay are: first, it is compulsory if you want to secure the diploma programs, and for the certificate course, it is an option. It is externally assessed, that means there is no role of the internal assessment, though the supervisor gives the marks, but it is further goes to the IB, and there an externally examiner checks your extended essay. Whatever the grade obtained in the extended essay along with the TOK, theory of knowledge, contributes up to 3 points in the total score of the IB diploma of 45 grade points. As you are aware, it is a 4,000 word, but are you aware there is a reflection form, research reflection space, that is RRS. It should be of 500 words. An extended essay means you have to devote at least 40 hours work. In it, the student is supported by a supervisor. Supervision process, a teacher also put 3 to 5 hours with you. How? How does the teacher helps? There are 3 mandatory sessions or reflection sessions which is given by a teacher or a supervisor. The three session are, the first is the very formal one, based on your initial exploration, developing the idea of the extended essay, writing it, what sorts of kind it is. The second session demonstrate the progress made by you in the research and the supervisor gives you the guidance on it. The third and the last, that is the final, it includes a viva voce, which is conducted by a medium of interview. That means there is an intersection between a student and a supervisor, teacher, where the teacher or the supervisor illustrate the personal experience from you, skills, conceptual understandings required for them. He will try to get the information on it and it is recorded. This is the role of the student and the teacher. Further, when it goes to the IB or before it, even the teacher gives the marks on their extended essay. These criteria for marking are 5. First is focus and method, which is of 6 marks. Knowledge and understanding, again 6 marks. Critical thinking, 12 marks. Presentation, 4 marks. Engagement, 6 marks. So the total is of 34 marks. Now these 34 marks has a further division in the grading pattern. E grade means you have obtained 0 to 6. That means it does not benefit you anyway, as the minimum grade required or score should be at least D to secure the diploma. D grade 7 to 13 marks are there. For C grade 14 to 20 marks. B grade 21 to 26 marks. And A grade 27 to 34 marks. So it depends upon your work ki how much you score. If you score E, you fall flat and you did not get a diploma. So every student thinks for getting some tips for writing an effective extended essay. So now let's come to the what are the tips for an effective extended essay. The very first point, it should be a clear, focused, based on a research question with specific aim. 3 things: clear, focused with specific aim. Second, the writing of extended essay required 6 elements. The very first, your extended should have a title page. Second, all the content should be given on the second page. Third, you should begin with an introduction. Fourth comes the body of the essay. Fifth is the conclusion. And last is reference and bibliography. Here the main is the introduction, body of the essay and conclusions. The body of the essay is to be presented in the form of a reasoned argument. It should be built on 4 criteria: research, analysis, discussion, and evaluation. So, for writing an extended essay, you must remember these points and develop it in a logical manner so you may score more than D grade and you can secure a diploma. Now, choosing the topic depends upon your subjects. Choosing on the subjects upon on the topic is sometimes you have to change the topic also because you may not get a substantial material for the result. You are allowed to do so. Your supervisor and teacher needs to give you the permissions for change of the topic or the title. So don't be hesitate to change the topic if you are not able to do your extended essay on that one because it becomes a very important document for your diploma as well for securing an admission in the prestigious university. Hope this information will help you in writing a good extended essay. Thank you, friends.